Hi, I'm Elle. Today we're going to be making candy explosion ice cream.
Okay, let's go.
First, wash your hands. No. First up, dark chocolate chips. Second, sweetened condensed milk. Second, caramel sauce. Third, heavy
Cream.
cream.
Oh, don't spill them.
This. Then this.
Toffee.
Toffee. Beat heavy cream until
Until stiff peaks form.
Beat heavy cream until stiff peaks form. Now we add condensed milk.
Where's this? Mika Barnwood.
Then you stir in chocolate chips and toffee. Can I grab that real quick? And then I'll leave you out. Let's look how Charlie ate it. Put half of it in a bread pan. Repeat the pattern. Top with extra candy. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Na 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 na.